The AliExpress phenomenon, big numbers, tiny watermarks. AliExpress is huge, really huge. It's like the world's biggest flea market, but online. And it's exploding. Millions of people use it every day. They buy all sorts of stuff, from clothes to gadgets, it's all there. But there's a catch. Those product photos, often covered in watermarks, little logos, text, you know the drill. They're there for a reason, to protect the seller's images. But they can be annoying, especially if you want to use those images yourself. So, what's a budding entrepreneur or just someone who hates ugly watermarks to do? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the world of watermark removal. It's easier than you think. Watermarks. Necessary evil or brand killer. Watermarks are like that friend who never stops talking about themselves. Important for them, not so much for you. Sellers use them to protect their images. They don't want their hard work stolen. But let's be real, watermarks can be a buzzkill. They scream unprofessional. Imagine a slick website with, bam, watermarked product photos. Not a good look. So, when do you need to ditch the watermark? Pretty much anytime you're using an image for your own brand. Think websites, social media, marketing materials. A clean image equals a professional image. Remember, you want your brand to shine. Don't let a pesky watermark steal your thunder. Out, damn spot. Simple steps to watermark removal. Removing watermarks sounds technical, right? Like something only a tech wizard could do. Wrong. It's actually pretty easy. There are tons of tools out there, many of them free. Here's a simple method using a free online tool. First, find your image. Go to AliExpress and find the product with the image you want. Next, copy the image URL. Right-click on the image and select Copy Image Address. Then go to a watermark removal tool. There are many free options available online. Just search for watermark remover on Google. Paste the URL into the tool's input field. Remove the watermark. Most tools have an automatic detection feature. If not, you can manually select the watermark area. Finally, download your clean image. Once the watermark is gone, download your fresh, clean image. See? Easy peasy. Now you've got a watermark-free image ready to use. But hold your horses, there are a few things you need to know before you go wild. Section 4. A picture's worth 1,000. Legal issues? Before you go plastering that watermark-free image everywhere, let's talk legal stuff. Copyright is a thing, and you need to be respectful. Just because you can remove a watermark doesn't mean you own the image. Always check the AliExpress product page for image usage rights. Some sellers might be cool with you using their images, others might not. When in doubt, ask for permission. A simple message to the seller can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Section 5. Watermark-free and ready to shine using your images. You've got your clean, watermark-free image. Now what? Time to put it to good use. Use it on your website, spruce up your social media, create stunning marketing materials. The possibilities are endless. Here are a few tips for using your images effectively. Keep it relevant. Make sure the image matches your brand and message. High quality is key. Use high-resolution images for a professional look. Don't be afraid to edit, crop, resize, and adjust the image to fit your needs. With a little creativity, you can make those AliExpress images work wonders for your brand. Section 6. AliExpress. A treasure trove, watermarks aside. AliExpress can be a goldmine for finding unique and affordable products. Yes, the watermarks can be a pain, but with a few simple tricks, you can easily remove them and use those images to your advantage. Just remember to be respectful of copyright and always prioritize clear communication with sellers. Now go forth and conquer the world of e-commerce, one watermark-free image at a time.